what is meaning of deviation? Do you know what is angle of deviation? Ayman, what is angle of deviation? Hello, Ayman, what is angle of deviation?
Yes, sir.
What is angle of deviation?
Sir, when there is refraction of light, there is deviation.
Angle between incident ray and emergent ray is called as angle of deviation. Like suppose this is prism, this is light going, this is incident. But because of refraction at two surfaces, it will bend. This is called as angle of deviation. So angle between incident and emergent ray is called as angle of deviation. Now we assume that white color comes out as single color, but actually it gets separated into 7 colors. करेक्ट ना? तो हर एक कलर का कुछ तो डेविएशन होएगा, अलग 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 एंगल बनाएगा. To understand, suppose this is one point, one color is separated. This is another color, another color, another color, another color. So this is deviation of first color, second color, third color, fourth color. तो हर एक कलर का डेविएशन अलग अलग है क्या सेम है?
सर अलग अलग है.
अलग है. सेम होएगा तो सिंगल कलर दिखेगा ना, साफ नहीं दिखेगा.
Yes.
So the difference between which color deviates maximum? Can you tell which color will deviate maximum?
So violet.
Violet. Which will deviate least?
Red.
Red. Red. So दोनों के बीच में कुछ तो difference is there ना?
Yes.
That difference is called angular dispersion. So the difference between angle of deviation, the difference between angle of deviation between two extreme colors of light, the difference between angle of deviation between two extreme colors of light is called as angular dispersion. Very simple language. So if I take delta V and delta R be the angle of deviation for violet and red color respectively, then angular dispersion denoted by D is delta V minus delta R. Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Write the definition.
Sir.
Yes.
So between two extreme colors means their deviation will be
violet and red.
Okay.
Pardon? No, it's not very huge. All angles are hardly 10, 20. So 3-5 degree के आसपास होता है.
No, means according to this angle it will be bigger. No?
No, how?
Like that.
Suppose delta red is, let us take 14 degree. Violet is 18. तो फर्क 4 का ही होगा.
नहीं अच्छा मतलब जो सबसे हाईएस्ट और जो सबसे लीस्ट है
लोएस्ट उसके बीच का फर्क.
ओके.
10 डिग्री से जनरली कम होता है. हेलो निजा. हेलो निजा. हेलो निजा, you can hear me?
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody is done?
Yes.
Ayman, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes they will ask you answer in terms of refractive index for angular dispersion. So derive expression for angular dispersion in terms of refractive index. Derive expression for angular dispersion in terms of refractive index. That means I want answer not in delta but in mu. Any connection between these two? Delta and mu. ये था ना हम लोग ने derive किया देखा. Delta is a into mu minus 1. याद है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So let mu v comma mu r be the refractive indices of violet and red color respectively. Let mu v, mu r be the refractive indices of violet and red color respectively. Since delta is a, mu minus 1. So delta violet will be a, mu violet minus 1. Delta red will be a, mu red minus 1. So I can say angular dispersion capital D equals to delta V minus delta R, which is a mu V minus 1 minus a mu R minus 1. So from this D equals to a common mu V minus 1 minus of mu R minus minus plus 1. So D is a into mu V minus mu R. This also followed? Self-explanatory it is.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Please do fill in. It's very simple topic. Only you have to write and practice at least once so that you can retain the formula in your brain. Once you are done, please tell me.
Done, sir.
Nija, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Nija, I got your message. I'll be doing the needful now from today onwards. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Chalo. One small note will write for theoretical MCQ, mostly in 11th standard. See, we got angular dispersion as A mu V minus mu R. So we can say it depends upon. It means angular dispersion depends upon angle of prism. B material of prism. Mu material पे डिपेंड करता है. So material of prism. Different color के लिए mu अलग होएगा. So depends upon wavelength of color. So sometimes they can ask which of the following is correct. It depends upon angle of prism, material, wavelength, all of these. So answer आएगा all of these. So this question is very important for theoretical MCQ. Copy.
Done.
Okay. One more small definition and its derivation. Define dispersive power of prism. Define dispersive power of prism. It is defined as the ratio. It is defined as the ratio of. It is defined as the ratio of angular dispersion. It is defined as the ratio of angular dispersion to the mean deviation between two extreme colors of light. Therefore, dispersive power denoted by omega is ratio of angular dispersion upon mean. Mean means average upon mean deviation. Just write till this, then I am writing in terms of delta everything. Then in terms of mu we will see.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done. Shall I clear it off? Hello, everybody is done. Shall I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let delta V, comma delta R, comma delta Y be the angle of deviation of violet, comma red, comma yellow color respectively. Therefore, delta, since delta is A into mu minus 1, so delta violet, delta red, delta yellow will be A mu V minus 1, A mu R minus 1, A mu Y minus 1. Therefore, angular, therefore dispersive power, excellent. Therefore, dispersive power, comma omega equals to delta V minus delta R upon delta V plus delta R upon 2. This is called angular dispersion. This is called mean deviation. This we can also write as difference. This is mean, na? Mean for two color, violet, red. Hello, violet, red का mean
Yes.
comes out to be that of yellow. तो न्यूमेरिकल में येलो होगा तो आप डायरेक्टली येलो का डेविएशन लिखना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मीन.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yellow not given, then we'll calculate. Yellow given, directly we'll put mean as yellow deviation.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Derive expression for dispersive power in terms of refractive indices. Derive expression for dispersive power in terms of refractive indices. Let mu V, mu R, mu Y be the refractive indices. Ri means refractive indices of violet, comma red, comma yellow color respectively. Since dispersive power omega is delta V minus delta R upon delta V plus delta R divided by 2. So I can say A mu V minus 1 minus A mu R minus Then average A mu V minus 1 plus A mu R minus 1 divide by. I think there should be no doubt till this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. A I am taking common mu V minus 1 minus mu R plus 1 upon A mu V minus 1 plus mu R minus 1 divided by 2. I can cancel minus 1 plus 1. So this is mu V minus mu R upon mu V plus mu R minus 1 is minus 2 the whole upon 2. So mu V minus mu R upon, I'm separating 2, mu V plus mu R upon 2 minus 2 upon 2. You cancel it there. So it is mu V minus mu R upon average of mu minus 1. Not follow?
Followed, sir.
एक लाइन आगे लिखते हैं ना फिर, और ओमेगा इज म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर. एवरेज ना आप येलो कलर लिख सकते हैं. एवरेज ऑफ एक्सट्रीम कलर इज येलो कलर minus 1. Now copy to that. Yes, Ayman, you have followed Paul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ध्यान से करो, देखो डाउट रहेगा तो पूछते जाओ. If your doubts are clear, फिर आपको भी मजा आएगा.
Done, sir.
Okay, shall I clear? Yes, Niva, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Siddharth?
Done.
Okay. Done. Define critical angle. Define critical angle. What is meaning of word critical?
Serious.
सीरियस. बराबर. क्रिटिकल है मतलब सीरियस है. ये आईसीयू सुना है क्या आपने ना? आईसीयू.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो पेशेंट इसमें क्या वीकेंड मनाने जाता है क्या? 31
No,
दिसंबर
sir.
मनाने जाता है? क्या न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करता है?
सर फॉर ट्रीटमेंट.
ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जाता है. तो इसका मतलब ये पहले भी बताया था मैंने, वो आने वाला है क्या जाने वाला है? आईसीयू में पहुंच गया तो
सर दोनों.
कुछ भी हो सकता है, मतलब कंडीशन कैन नॉट बी टोल्ड इन एडवांस. तो डॉक्टर बोलेगा कीप योर फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड फॉर 48 आवर्स. वंस ही इज स्टेबल देन ओनली वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट व्हाट विल हैपन फर्दर. मतलब उसका लाइफ बीच में अटक गया है ना ऐसा.
यस.
तो लाइट अगर इधर से इंसिडेंट किया मैंने, नाइदर इट इज गोइंग इन सेकंड मीडियम नॉर कमिंग इन फर्स्ट, ऐसा बीच में लटक गया, तो वो टाइप के एंगल को क्या बोलेंगे हम? क्रिटिकल.
क्रिटिकल है.
So now I'm just defining what is critical angle. When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, will it move away from normal? Denser
Yes.
to rarer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Rightly said, it will move away from normal. ये I इसको R बोलते हैं. If I increase angle of incidence, तो ये लाइट और इधर आ जाएगा ना, थोड़ा दूर, है ना. Still if I increase, then chances are there that light will come on the surface.
Surface, yes.
So this angle of incidence at which angle of refraction is becoming 90 degree is called as critical angle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then angle of incidence at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degree is called as critical angle. Clear definition?
Yes, sir.
Right. When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then angle of incidence at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degree is called as critical angle. The angle of incidence at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degree is called as critical angle.
Done.
So that refractive index of denser with respect to rarer is 1 upon sine of critical angle. At critical angle, what is angle of refraction?
90.
90 degree. This you have to keep in your mind. What is Snell's law of refraction?
Sin I by
Sin I by sin R.
Sin I by sin R is refractive index of second medium with respect to first. No?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, could you please repeat? I just got disconnected.
I said by Snell's law of refraction, refractive index of second with respect to first is sin I upon sin R.
Yes.
So our second medium is rarer.
Yes.
With respect to denser will be sin I upon sin of R. Not followed?
Follow.
So can I say 1 upon refractive index of rarer denser is sin R upon sin I? दोनों साइड रेसिप्रोकल.
Yes, sir.
अभी इसको इधर ऊपर लेके जाओ तो ये अदला बदली होता है ना, डेंसर रेरर, है ना.
Yes, sir.
See, refractive index of glass with respect to air, suppose 3/2 है, तो air with respect to glass 2/3 होगा ना.
हाँ सर।
तो इसको अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूं एयर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्लास, तो ये 3/2 इंटू 2/3 1 हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ सर।
That means air with respect to glass is 1 upon glass with
1
respect to
upon
air.
glass. Yes.
So 1 upon rarer denser, ऊपर गया तो denser rarer हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
Yes sir.
Now tell me, if I becomes critical, then R will become what?
90.
90 degree. Yes, very true. 90 degree हो जाएगा. So this is sin R upon sin I. But when I is C, which is critical angle, then R is 90 degree. We all know this. So refractive index of denser with respect to rarer is sin 90 upon sine of critical angle. So denser with respect to rarer, sin 90 means 1, na?
Yes.
Thus refractive index of denser with respect to rarer 1 upon sin C. हर एक का कॉलेज में आएगा ये 2 मार्क के लिए. कंप्लीट.
Done sir.
Okay. Explain total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. See, just now we saw when ray of light goes from denser to rarer, if angle of incidence becomes critical, then ray of light comes on the surface, so that angle of refraction is 90, correct?
Yes sir.
So if I increase this beyond critical angle, तो अभी ये सरफेस से आगे किधर से मीडियम में आएगा ना.
Yes sir.
This phenomenon is called as total internal reflection. So I'm defining like this now. Don't write. When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, if angle of incidence is greater than critical, then it returns back into same medium. This phenomenon is called as total internal reflection. What is law of reflection? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, no?
Yes.
Yes sir.
That means if this angle is suppose 40 degree, तो ये भी 40 रहेगा. मतलब लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ओबे करेगा वो, I इक्वल टू आर. ये आर और ये आर अलग है, ये रिफ्लेक्शन का बोल रहा हूँ और ये रिफ्रैक्शन वाला हो गया. ठीक है.
Yes sir.
डेफिनेशन देखो फिर से. When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, if angle of incidence is greater than critical, then it comes back into same medium. This phenomenon is called as
Total internal reflection.
correct, right? ray of light travels from, this is very important, travels from denser medium to rarer medium. Travels from rarer medium to denser. Then if angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then ray of light comes back into the same medium. This phenomenon is called as total internal reflection. This phenomenon is called as total internal reflection.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, rainbow is also formed by this, no?
Rainbow is phenomenon of dispersion and scattering.
Yes, sir.
Rainbow ये नहीं, total internal reflection rainbow नहीं है.
Sir, no, because last year it was given that it is due to three effects.
Three, yes,
And-
it is dispersion, then total internal reflection,
reflection,
in the
yes.
water
Yes, sir.
droplet and coming
And
back.
spectrum.
तो
Yes.
खाली वो एक phenomenon नहीं, तीन phenomenon का
हाँ,
combo
तीन
है.
phenomenon. हाँ.
अभी क्या होता है, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट के अंदर टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन होता है, इसलिए वो फिर से पीछे आ जाता है.
हाँ.
तो पहले तो 7 कलर में सेपरेट होता है, मतलब डिस्पर्शन,
Dispersion.
फिर रिफ्रैक्ट होके जाता है वाटर ड्रॉपलेट के अंदर, फिर बाहर आता है. तो इसलिए डायरेक्ट एक ही के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे हम, तीन फिनोमेना. विल सी रेनबो फॉर्मेशन.
Sir, again.
हाँ, इट्स देयर इन आवर करिकुलम आल्सो. एक्चुअली 11th में निकाल दिया है, बट एंट्रेंस पे रख सकते हैं. सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू थियरी एंड राइटिंग मटेरियल में आपको प्रिंटेड दे दूंगा, वो टाइम बचेगा थोड़ा,
Okay, sir.
बिकॉज 11th में नहीं है अभी वो एंट्रेंस
हाँ,
पे
sir.
थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं.
Yes.
जस्ट कंप्लीट टिल दिस.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. One small part. I will stop at same time. Don't worry, even if I started late. Applications of total internal reflection. First, reflecting prism. Have you studied this reflecting prisms in 10th? 10th में था?
No.
No, sir. No.
नहीं, जो ICSE वाले हैं उनको था.
Yes.
आयमन, आप लेक्चर के बाद थोड़ा रुकना, 2 मिनट आपका लूंगा मैं.
Yes, sir.
Reflecting prism. See, if angle of incidence is greater than critical, then only we'll get total internal reflection or not.
Yes, sir.
और सेकंड होना चाहिए वो डेंसर से रेयर ट्रेवल होना चाहिए. ठीक है.
Yes.
तो सपोज ये क्राइटेरिया है, डेंसर टू रेयर, एंड इफ आई गेट क्रिटिकल एंगल इज 30 डिग्री and light is incident at 45, will there be total internal reflection or not?
No, no, sir.
Yes, no, 45 is greater than 30. 45
अच्छा, हाँ. No. हाँ. Yes, yes.
तो होगा ना.
हाँ, हाँ, sir.
बट अगर क्रिटिकल एंगल is 45 and light is incident at 30, तो
हाँ, तो नहीं होगा.
so 30 is less than 45, it will go in second medium, no total internal reflection. If critical angle 45, incidence is also 45, तो क्या होएगा?
Then angle of reflection will be 90 degrees.
Yeah, that means that angle will become critical. Light will come on the interference of two separating medium. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever somebody says, will there be total internal refraction or not? First I should know what is critical angle for that medium, which is nothing but depending upon refractive index, we can find critical angle. Refractive index is 1 upon sine of critical angle, correct? No?
Yes.
Glass ka refractive index is close to 3/2 unless until some impurity is added. So the refractive index, I'm checking what is critical angle. So I should know what is refractive index. The refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is mu Ga equals to 3/2. Therefore, sine of critical angle is 1 upon refractive index. Is it true? Hello? Is it correct?
Yes.
So this is 1 upon 3/2. That will become 2/3.
2/3.
That is 0.6667. So C is sine inverse of 0.667. Okay?
Yes.
So can I say critical angle is approximately, ये जब log book से देखेंगे ना तो 41 डिग्री 42 मिनट आता है, बट अप्रोक्सीमेटली आप 42 डिग्री लिख सकते हैं. इधर तक समझा?
Yes.
That means for total internal reflection, what should be angle of incidence? More than 42 or less than 42?
Sir, it should be more than.
More than, because I got critical angle 42. तो
40.
इससे ज्यादा एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस होगा तो ही होएगा ना टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन.
Yes, sir.
ओके, प्लीज कॉपी दिस मच. फिर एक डायग्राम बनाता हूँ, 2 मिनट का काम है, देन आई विल स्टॉप. Exactly same this much I did in morning schedule. So even though I started late, we are at par with morning batch.
Okay, sir.
Just write this much. फिर एक हार्डली 2 मिनट का ही काम है. So for glass prism, we got critical angle is 42. इससे ज्यादा होएगा तो लाइट विल कम बैक, सेम होएगा तो इंटरफेरेंस पे आएगा, मतलब सेपरेटिंग मीडियम वाला बाउंड्री पे आएगा. इससे कम होएगा तो दूसरा मीडियम में जाएगा.
Done.
Okay, everybody understand? Hello, everybody
Yes,
understand?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm taking right angled isosceles right angled prism, right angled triangular prism, isosceles right angled triangular prism. Can you tell me what will be base angle?
90 degrees.
No, base angle is not 90.
Sure.
ये angle को base angle बोलते हैं. It will be 45 degree, no?
45, 45.
Because these two sides are equal, 45. Now I am interested in whether there will be total internal reflection or not. So when ray of light is incident normally on face AB, will there be any refraction on AB? Will there be any refraction on AB? No, no? Because for refraction, light should not be incident normally but obliquely. तो सीधा ये surface पे जाएगा ना ऐसा, without any refraction here. Okay, follow? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
So now on face AC, if I draw normal like this, that means perpendicular to AC if I draw normal. If I draw normal. Now can you tell me what is this angle of incidence? This is 45. So this will be 45. Even this is 45.
45, yes.
Is it greater than 42?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या होएगा? Total internal reflection ना?
Yes, sir.
So light will return back into same medium such that angle of incidence is 45. So angle of refraction is 45. Same way from here, angle of refraction is 45. So can I say ray has bent by 90 degree?
Yes.
This phenomenon is used in periscope submarine में to see the object.
Yes.
So only draw this diagram. Next lecture I will give you explanation. So that's all for today. Just draw the diagram. And Ayman, you wait for 2 minutes. Once you are done, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Done, huh?
Sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. Hitarth completed.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, can I clear this now?
Yes, sir, yes.
Rajvardhan, done. Swaraj, Mohit,
Yes.
completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. आज के लिए इतने ही. Friday then again we'll meet.